Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Hassan Adli and I'm from RCS 1104H.
Hello everyone, my name is Rina Shazina binti Muhammad Yunus from 4H.
Hi, my name is Aini Safia binti Rahman and I'm from class 4H.
Hi, my name is Nushri Rahani and I'm from Group H.
My name is Frizana Iwani Mashi binti Khairi Mashi and I'm from 4H. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the mean of group data. In order to find the mean for this sample data, we need to use the equation shown. So the first step we need to do is, we need to make a table as shown. Second, in order to find n, we need to sum all the frequencies given here. Which in this case, I got 100. Next, for the midpoint, calculate it by add the upper limit with the lower limit and divide it with 2. Same step need to be repeated for each classes. For the last column, what we need to do is multiply the midpoint by the frequency, or other way around to fill in the blank and find the sum, which for this one is 2110. Lastly, put the sum obtained from the last column and sum of the frequencies inside the equation. And the answer will be 21.10.
Okay, now we're gonna find the median. From the question, we already got these two columns. From this column, we must get this other two columns. Cumulative frequency and position of data. These two information we can get based on the information given in the question. After that, we must identify the class that contain the median. To find it, we must divide the total frequency by 2. After we get the median class, the median can be calculated by this formula. And using this formula and the information we can get from the question or from the column, we can do this equation and get the median. After that, and this is the final answer. Thank you.
To find mode, we need to solve everything in the bracket first. The first bracket is stand for the number of students that have the highest frequency minus with frequency of the class before the class containing mode. Second step, value for the second bracket is the same with the first bracket. And the last bracket is stand for the highest frequency minus with frequency of the class after the class containing mode. And then we have to plus value from the second and third bracket. Third step, we have to divide answer from step 1 and 2. Step 4, the value from step 3 must multiply with 10, which is width of the class mode. And the last step, plus with the lower boundary that had the higher frequency.
To solve standard of variation, we need to find the value of fx squared for each row first. After that, we need to total up the value of fx squared. F is stand for frequency and x is stand for middle point. Therefore, the total of fx squared is 58,165. Next, let us look at the formula given. We need to make sure we have all the information before we proceed with the calculation. As we can see, we have the value of n, the value for total of fx, and the value for total of fx squared. Now, since we have all of these values, we can insert it into the formula given. We can solve this calculation by using calculator. So, the answer for standard of variation is 11.74.
The last one is how to identify the shape of distribution. To find the shape of distribution, we need to use Pearson coefficient of skewness formula. The formula is 3 times mean minus median divided by standard deviation. We just need to fill in the formula as we already get the mean, median and standard deviation value in the previous question. So, to calculate the Pearson coefficient of skewness is 3 times mean, which is 21.1, minus median 22.58, divided by standard deviation 11.74. Just use the calculator to get the correct answer, and the answer is negative 0.38. This means that the shape of distribution is skewed to the left because the R value that we get is less than 0.